This is the industrial rack oven I-Series. And this is the oven's powerful Cascade steam system, with fast recovery. It provides steam from both left and right side, making sure all the racks in the large oven get its share of steam. But how does it work? On the left-hand side, it is equipped with aluminium bars, and on the right-hand side steel balls. As you can see in this illustration, when water hits the heated aluminium bars and steel balls, it quickly turns into steam and in an explosive way spreads throughout the oven. The programmable steam system injects water into the oven's water lines, where it is split into fine droplets before reaching the heating surfaces of the aluminium bars and steel balls, turning it into fine and clean steam, which helps the bread rise in creating a nice crust. The powerful two-way steam system makes sure that the I-Series oven can handle the tough environment and workload of industrial bakeries. With Sveba Dahlen I-Series, you can feel sure you get the job done in a proper way every time. We are Sveba Dahlen, your partner in successful baking.